I'm excited to share with y'all my experience of meeting a Ghanaian chief. Baba Salah is the chief of youth in a neighborhood called Nima in Accra, Ghana. This short but sweet interview only begins to scratch the surface of a deep and rooted culture, but I did my best to ask some general questions so you and I can learn a bit more about Hausa chieftaincy in Nima. We're going to meet the chief. Alright, you don't mind if I record?
No, you don't mind.
No? Okay. So we have to get the introduction. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I have the right light.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Alright, y'all, this is Baba
Salah.
Baba Salah.
Yes.
This is Baba Salah.
Baba Salah. Okay, so Nurain, you have to give him his introduction.
Okay, Baba Salah is famous youth chief in Nima. And you know, everyone who knows Nima very well and been in Nima, every part of the world, globe, you know who Baba Salah is. And then Baba Salah is taking care of youth, sanitation, and everyone, and every senior king, chief, he is the one who take care of them in case of any crisis in Nima, everything. He comes and then everything silent. Yes.
Okay.
So his name is Baba Salah. Baba Salah doesn't talk too much because he's big.
We were having a good conversation.
Yeah, he welcomes everyone. He's the friend of the kids, moms, every family, every generation. So our biggest festival here is the only one who can play with us to show the tradition of Hausa people who came here early years and then from Nigeria. Yeah, so the biggest palace of Hausa is here. Yeah, that's here. Yes.
Okay.
You can see the chiefs, the first chief of the Nima. And then it's generation.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
The first chief of Nima. So
Yes.
how many years does that go back?
It's the second.
It's the second. First and the second.
Cool.
The third.
The third is here. Ongago?
Yeah.
The third.
And then goes down. So what generation are you
Yeah,
of
generation.
chief?
The third is there.
Oh, the third is still around.
He's there.
Okay.
He's the one.
He's around.
He's around.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're fourth generation chief?
Yeah.
So then is he your dad?
Is that?
Yeah,
That's your father?
my uncle.
Oh, your uncle.
Yeah.
Okay. So when he passes, who will be chief?
One in the
Who
next.
will be?
We have two people. They will decide.
They'll decide.
One is here. This is the one, and then the other one too. In picture not around. But it's around.
And is this you? That's you?
Yeah, he's the one.
Yeah, and I see you there too.
You know who is this? The chief imam of Ghana.
The chief who?
The chief imam of the whole Ghana. He's the one. And then he's his bodyguard sometimes. Yeah.
My grandfather.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your grandfather?
Yes. He's also outside the same tribe.
Oh, this is who? This is
He's the one.
This is you again?
Yeah.
What? You don't age. You don't age at all.
Yeah.
So I guess I have a question, if you don't mind me asking on camera.
Yeah.
I'm completely new to the whole. Oh. Okay, sure. Just make sure that thing. All right, anyway, let's swap.
Okay.
I'm completely new to the whole, I guess, chieftain thing. We don't have it back home, so I don't fully understand what power or control or what they represent in the community. Is it more leadership? I guess what was it when it was first generation and before the government came about, and what is it now?
Thank you very much. A very good question. You know, they were the first people. Hausa tribe was the first people who discovered this Nima. They were given by Osu, Accra people, chieftaincy, giving them a place.
Okay.
And then a place called Nima. Nima in Ghana means the city of kings. But in our local Muslim community means it's a blessing.
Okay.
You understand? So they are the people, first people who came here and then they started receiving other people from Mali, Togo, Niger. So the chief, in case of any, it's like, if in case of any problem with the community, in case of any problem with the tribe, or to put this in place, that's why they choose one chief.
To make whatever decision.
Yes, whatever decision and everything. So if anything want to happen, anything happens already, chief will not come to people, the government will not come to people. And this is where they used to do the meeting and everything. And then in terms of Muslim peaceful, if there's any crisis, all the chiefs will come here to settle it first. That is why it goes.
Okay.
Yeah, but they
any
don't
time of day, anybody comes and knocks and needs any help.
Yeah, any help. Yeah.
And you're responsible for helping them out.
Yeah, it's solved here before police station. If any, it's solved here before police station. And then if you want to consider, Muslims community, we used to consider a lot of things. Something like maybe I spoil your car. Oh, don't go to police station. Let's make it here.
Come to the chief.
Yeah.
What else? What's another example?
For example, I hit your car, or I take my car to hit your car, and then you say you're going to police station. Oh, just come here. Okay. How much do you need? Or instead of going to statement and then police will collect his money, and then you do it here. Simple. So in Islam we do that here. Islam, the whole Islam community, we are all one. That is the meaning of Islam.
Okay. And then I guess, so what relationship do you all have with the government, the people in power?
Yes, very good question. We have.
Is he giving me the right answer?
Right.
Okay. Because you're
quiet. I'm working with him. In Ghana we have two major political parties.
Yes.
MPP and NDC.
Who have voted.
Yes.
And chiefs aren't voted, right?
Yes.
You've been
No, if you are a chief, you have to stay neutral.
Oh, okay, yes, because you're
MPP,
around.
You are not NDC.
The
chieftaincy is not the politics.
It's not the politics. So maybe he can give you some of the answers too.
Continue.
I should continue, right? So, we have two major
political
parties, MPP and NDC. This our community, majorities are NDC. You understand? Yes. So, if it's like in case of this political party want to meet his people to organize to get his vote, he comes to the chief to talk to the chief, and the other side to come to the chief to talk to the chief. So they all one family with the chiefs. You understand? And then in case too, they wanted to do something for the government. The government will do any project. People are not. Maybe you want the place to install a bank or a government service. You have to come to the chief first.
To the chief first.
And the chief talk to the owners of this. And now, if you can settle them, if government will settle them or they will list it. So that is how.
Okay. And chief is a birthright.
Yes, birthright.
Right? But it's not voted. It's not anything like that. Okay, so families for generations to generations, and only men.
Yes.
Only men. Okay. And then, so you're chief of the youth. Yes. So any young person who has a question, has a dilemma, they're coming to you.
Okay. So in the same of chief.
Look. Tell me more.
Okay, I have two positions in palace. Here in this Hausa palace in Nima, I'm king of warrior. I'm king of warrior, so chief in warrior.
Of warrior.
And then if you come into the Accra Osu stool, the Gan people, that's the crown, this and this. That's the chieftaincy's crown.
That's the crown.
That's the crown. They crown me.
Yeah. And that's for the Gap community.
Okay. The one
who owns this area and kind of gave the whole of Accra, and then they gave you all the Hausa people a space in it. Okay, so you're still included a part of the Gap community here. Okay, and then when you go, well, I guess, is there another area in Ghana that is Hausa community?
Yes.
In the north.
Accra. Accra, Zango, Shukra, 441 Mamodi. We have a lot of places.
Okay.
You know, Makola Market.
Yes.
Tudu.
Yeah.
Tudu, we have Hausa community there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we have, you see Kanishi. Kanishi, we have a place after Kanishi we call the Shukura. One of the biggest Hausa community is there.
Ah,
Okay, and then we have Medina.
Oh, I didn't realize Medina was Hausa.
Yeah.
Okay, but everybody has their own chiefs in those areas.
Yes.
But because it was in Accra, it comes from the Ga.
Yes.
The Ga and the Ga chiefs. Okay, so this is a sign of chieftaincy.
Yes.
And all three, or you could wear one and still everybody knows.
Yeah, the reason why I always have to wear this, if I went to any place, we are all the same, but that's being shown is different between me and you.
Yes. Okay.
So any place I went now in Accra, they have to give me special treatment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then give me more respect.
Yes, because of it, and not just because of the grade. So I was gonna ask, what's one of the hardest parts about being a chief?
Stressed.
Yeah, stress.
Yeah, stressed. Today you are here. Today you are here to go and solve people's problems. That one is it's a lot. That's the problem. It's a stress.
Yeah, everybody bringing their problems
Yes.
to you for you to solve.
From here I can go here to Dodua to go and solve people's problems.
Really?
Up to Akosombo,
Wow.
Medina, Ebri.
Yeah.
A lot.
And you have to. You
I have to go
Yes.
because they already reported.
Exactly, and you're working for your people.
Yes.
Okay. And then what's one of the best parts about being a chief?
Best part. Okay, the chieftaincy there is okay. It's normal.
What's the best part?
Sometimes, if you enter the crowd, a lot of people, then they will give you more respect about the chieftaincy and things. That's the only happiness.
Yeah.
And then we have a lot of properties too.
Okay.
You see.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a lot of access to that kind of
Access,
stuff. Yes.
they have a lot of access.
Yeah. And I mean, it kind of makes sense because you're dealing with everybody's problems, so they need to give it like a bit more, plenty more respect.
Yes.
and make things a little bit easier for you because other stuff in other areas are more difficult for you as well. Yeah.
And then the secondly too, as you came, you talk about the police people.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, because of the chieftaincy, man, I go a lot. Have lot of Ghana police, they know me. From Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, wherever, any police people. Yeah.
And then when they see that too, they automatically know.
They know.
Yes. Yeah. All right. So then, well, I guess what's one thing you want to, and I don't know if this is a thing that chiefs do as well, but one thing you hope to see in your community, your Nima Hausa community as a chief that you want to accomplish?
Go.
Can you repeat it, please?
So I don't know if this is something, but like a goal that, you know, when he became chief, he's like, I want to see this happen in Nima.
Oh, okay.
Is it that I want, I don't know, I'm responsible for the youth, so I want, want everybody in school,
even,
or I want...
You know, in this our community, we don't have any shores of mineral short or light. We are gaining something from the community, which is shores or mineral or something like that. But what we expect or we want or we love or want to see in Nima is people should unite.
Okay.
When the unity is there, you see it's like blessing everywhere. The heart is clean, intention, as I say. So we see everyone coming. You see, when people are coming, it's like income is coming. You understand? But if you lack of all this, it's still difficult for us in our community.
Yeah.
You understand?
So in the end, the goal is unity regardless.
Yeah, unity regard. Yeah.
Okay, alright. And then last question. Are you coming to the Caribbean?
Why not? If you invite me, I will come.
I like that. You're invited. Y'all, anybody else in any Caribbean island want to invite him, let me know. We'll send the invitation. He could do a whole Caribbean tour. Yes, we will set him up.
I have one thing.
Tell me.
Is the head and the youth of our this community riders. Like the way you ride to Kumasi. Yes. So it's among the group. I know who took you, who knows him.
You like bike?
Hey!
Do you see my bike there?
No, where? Do you know Ultimate Riders?
Hotmail?
Yeah.
If you call my name Hotmail Riders, they know me very well.
Hey.
The whole Ghana Riders.
Yes.
I'm part of them.
Okay.
Yes.
So I rode with them to Kumasi. I rode with them to
Adan.
Where we went the other day, Koforidua. Yes, yeah. And they're going to Benin.
Yeah, they are going
in 2 weeks. Yeah, they were trying to convince me.
Program.
Yeah, those are my boys.
I'm
those
using
are my
BM1002 R19
I-
2020 model. This is outside.
It's outside. So you know Captain?
Captain, I know him.
Yes. And Entry.
Yeah, all of them they know me. If
Yes.
you mention my name, they know me
I
very,
will.
very
I
well.
will. I'll say I went to go visit the chief of Nima. Yeah, okay, well thank you so much for sitting and chatting with me as a Caribbean girl. I'm honored to be in your presence and to even just sit and be able to have this conversation. So thank you very much for that opportunity.
problem.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Nurain, for setting this up. Y'all don't even know. Nurain has been like, when you coming to Nima, the Nima Chiefs, you have to meet them, you have to meet them. I said, I'm coming. And now I finally reached. So I appreciate it, both of you, really.
Yes. His own palace too. It's a personal palace is there, so we are going to see that, and you can see what he is there. Oh yeah.
Hey, more palace to see. Yes. Y'all, he's a biker too, though. Hey. Watch it. I like to see it.
One baki. Baka fadi muna wala ka eh. Bigena. Abi ka fadi muna ni. Abi ka fadi muna ni.
That's what?
The seat of the king.
Oh,
Yeah.
so this is his seat?
Yeah,
or?
his seat. His own personal everything. Yeah.
So what is it made out of?
Yes, it's wooden, but it was colored with silver.
Oh, okay. His chief seat is carved from wood but covered in silver paint. Now, it completely slipped me to ask them to break down the significance of the seat and what it symbolized, with the lions and the fire holder and all the different other symbols. But I do know it's of great importance to him and the community. In the end though, I truly hope this video sparks a level of curiosity and you're encouraged to do your own research on this aspect of Ghanaian and West African culture. So folks, don't forget to stay tuned, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure.